So the door designs and all, you can
Oh,
try it.
how will the door design be then? This one.
Very simple only. You can use spline command to get that kind of things.
Ah, yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay, now which one you want to do? So shall we see the door first?
Yes, yes. I think that is the most simple.
Not simple, but okay, I will try. I will tell you. You can just do that and you can mirror it. Okay, since we are not.
Ah, wow. Yes, mirror. We can do mirror. Yes, you are right.
Yeah,
We can
very
make
simple, right?
us then. Yes.
So better. Wait a minute. So that's why like the AutoCAD we are using now. So this kind of modification, mirroring, copying things and all, it is very easy. Okay, manually we need to draw again, so we can't just
Yes.
trace this. Okay, just I'm just drawing like this. Now you can go for arc. So just go for arc. So just go like this. You can switch it off because arc you can switch it off. Okay, now we just got that one. So this is how like there also it is. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you can switch it on because sometimes you can switch off the ortho mode to get the things. Now what you can do is like as a whole, like you select and you put J enter. Okay. Now what you can do is just to go for offset. Offset, we don't know the distance. You can put graphically.
Hmm.
Okay. This is how like we offsetted. And like here they're asking, see, we have something like, so we can go for BR enter.
Break.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will just select here and select here. Again, like I will select here and select here. Okay. If I am just drawing a line here, again also another line here. Okay. Then we can go for fillet. We are not providing any radius now. So fillet with radius 0. So we will get the sharp corner.
Sharp. Yes.
And it is in join already now. So everything it will be joined.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Because that is
That
we
is.
already put join now. So that's why. But see, this
Hmm.
is like sometimes because it will come like that. No problem. So that again, like you can go for fillet. Okay. Okay. Now we just simply completed this one. Then you can just have another offset graphically. Okay. Maybe something less than that. Okay. Because there also it was less. It was very less actually.
Hmm.
So then we can just go here and take the graphical things. Okay, just to click here, somewhat 75 percentage of the offset. Okay, now this one. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Now only thing like we can just draw the circle. So from here we can just draw it.
Why are we not doing arc?
Ah no, better now circle also because here uh,
Ah,
we can trim it.
okay, okay.
Okay, just go for TR, double enter, just trim the unnecessary portion. Or we can go for TR, enter, and you need to select only this thing. So select this and you can put so that it is completely going away. Otherwise, you need to click
Hmm.
inside also separately. Again, offset of same distance because this also the same, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But there is some fill inside.
That we can TR double enter.
Okay.
If you want to do like this also, you can do. But actually, it won't be like this. So it will be like this will be joined only, I guess. No problem.
Hmm.
Anyway, we did it. Again, like another thing, we need to just okay. offset of from here to here. Okay, I think it's also very far. Very okay. So what we can do is like go for offset of point 0.7. I will put. Okay. Then offset of the same distance. So that you can just take from here. So TR double enter. So mostly this one it's enough because when like manufacturing, so it is not possible. Maybe so it will be like this one. No problem.
Hmm.
Actually, it won't get joined. No problem. Okay. So we got it right.
Yes.
So even this portion we will fill it. So sometimes even the small things like if you are sending as a DWG file, they will look for the detailings, right? That's why. Okay,
Hmm.
it was like a little bit stretched outward. What we can do means STR. Okay, then uh, select like this. Then I'm just stretching inside. I think it's enough.
Yes.
Yeah. So like this, all modification and draw tools you should use. Okay. Okay. Now only the spline thing. So SPL. So for spline also you should put for anything curve or splines. So you should switch off the thing. So you can just draw with freehand. Again, you need to escape so that you will get the sharp thing. Otherwise, like you will not.
Hmm.
Okay, something like that. So actually, that if we are just using the grips, we can just so you can get whatever the shapes you want.
Hmm.
Okay. Again, you can go for again spline. It will take little more time, but so patience also needed. And it is interesting only, right?
Yes.
Again, escape, and from that you can just draw it again. So what we can do is we can try to array this, but it may work or may not work.
Hmm.
So
For
path,
this, we will also path. Okay.
so path I am just putting in like this, right? Okay, but the only thing, so here what we discussed now, here we have divide option. So go
Hmm.
for divide options. Okay, now I can put 5. Okay, see it is okay. Now we can just try to change the in between or so what we can do means then we can go for measure. Then what we can do means like I can try to change the 0.25. Hmm. So I'm just trying to fit it. Okay, something like this. Or
Hmm.
0.25 we can put. Okay, now if you want to get it back, so you can explode it so that everything it will be separated. So then we can just trim the unnecessary things.
Oh.
So if you want to get out of the array also, you can explode it. Okay, simply we used array option. Okay, now we can directly go for mirroring it. So very simple. So we just completed that door thing. Okay, and we've missed the circle here. So the circle, since it is like rectangle, right? It is automatically showing you the midpoint. So in previous versions and all, we are not getting this. Now in the latest versions, it is easily coming. So you want to take the same offset since we don't know the graphical measurement, you can use graphically. Okay, so I can just mirror it again also. So like this, like we can do so many things. Now with this, now you will be knowing so how we can easily do so many things. So
Hmm.
only just we are using array tools, modification tools, and all to get our work done. See, we simply created the door. Okay.
Yes.
Now as a whole, we can create this as a block. Okay, that is also we can have. So for example, go for B enter. So go for B enter, and now you can see here it is asking for name. Okay, so we can put so designer door or something. Designer door elevation, because it is an elevation only, right? Not plan view, elevation view.
Yes.
So it is asking for pick point. So we can just go for pick point, but you need to select object. First to select the object. So you can B enter for blocks. So select it. Okay, now you can see here it is coming preview. Okay, and it is
Hmm.
asking you to delete the objects. See, after converting to the block, so we can delete or we can retain it or we can convert to block. Okay, if I am retaining it, like it will be there. Okay, so I can put pick point. So this one, so that XY is the coordinate it will take.
Hmm.
Okay, now only thing annotative. Annotative means like we can put scales and all. Scale uniformly, allow exploding. So don't put allow exploding so that when you're putting inserting the block, everything will be separated. So we want everything to be
Oh,
in one block. So don't use allow exploding. Don't use scale uniformly because it will be scaling uniformly both direction. We can't scale separately. Okay.
okay.
So if you want, you can select. Otherwise, not needed. So just click OK. Okay. Now we can see like it is retained. I put retain option. Nah, that's why we got it retained. Now what we can put means
Okay.
I enter. So B enter for creation, I enter for inserting. So I enter, you can see, specify on screen insertion point, click OK. So like this, we can able to create the block. So we can just put the angles by default 0 angle we can put. So this is like one door in a single block.
Hmm.
So this we can export and we can reuse to the other projects also. Maybe some for elevation, we can just insert it. So now we seen how to create such doors and also we seen how to create blocks and how to insert blocks.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you don't have any doubts in it, right?
No, 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 no.
Okay. The other door also very simple only that you can do, right? Do you want me to do that also?
No, I want to try doing it myself because I think it is the same offset and everything.
Yeah. Mostly offset. That is even more simple because there is no spline. Everything is arc and also
Yes.
rotated rectangle. So for that you can use rotated rectangle to 45-degree, I guess. A square
Hmm.
rectangle, a square rectangle command. In that you can use square, which means like the dimension you can put same na, so you will get square. But you need to rotate that
Hmm.
to 45.
Yes.
Or we can do that also, so that you can refer back.
Oh, no, I think I can do this one.
Okay then. So just offset and this corner you need to just draw lines. Okay.
I think that will be L enter and then we just
No,
make
no, don't
them.
use L enter. So I will tell you so that you will get some idea. So go for rectangle. Okay, so just to draw because we don't know the dimension. Later we can scale it according to the dimension also. So just to O enter. Okay, so now like they're having this kind of thing. So that one line we are just drawing perpendicularly that we can mirror it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, maybe it is again like So I will put 0.32. Even 0.32. Okay. So we can switch it on. So point 0.1. Okay. So I can put it back to 0.31. So 0.31. Okay. Now we are getting something a bigger space in between. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
we can just draw the line here simply. So since ortho mode switch, now we can delete the in between. No, even the in between also we can have. No, no need. Better we can control is that. So then what we can do means just offset. Another command I will tell you. See, there is something called BO command. BO for boundary. So go for boundary. Okay. In that case, you can put pick points. So island detection, right? It will create a polyline, pick point. So select the points. So select the point. So you are getting a polyline in it. See, this is no need to draw now. It is automatically creating you the inside region. That is what boundary command.
Okay.
Okay, so then we can just go for offset. So offset, and then you can put some distance as per the image. So select this and leave it. See, select this and leave it. If it is not a boundary, like it is not possible, nah. So that's why I made it simple. Okay, now again, like we can just go back and you can put another offset for inside thing. Okay, again you can put because it is mirror now.
Yes.
So not essential to be mirroring always because here mirror it will work, but here simultaneously you can do also because same offset, right? That's why.
Yes,
So only
yes.
thing, you can just draw the lines connecting these escape, again enter. No need to put L enter. So again you just put enter because it will take the previous command. Escape again just enter and then do.
Hmm.
Okay, now again, actually we can copy our mirror also. That's why, like, to avoid this time, right? That's why we have mirror copy options. But it's okay, just four small slanted lines. Okay, now we got it. Now for the other one, like, we have something special, like, okay. Then that offset might be the same. So then that you can select from here. So you understand, right? I'm not putting
Yes.
the numerical value, just graphically selecting the offset. Okay, now again you can just put the lines here. Escape. So, but you need to practice because lots of things already you missed it. So anyway, I'm telling because see, so many comments in between also we are discussing. That's why.
Yes.
Yeah. Again, see here we have. Okay, actually it was what we can do means we can stretch it. Okay, str. So I feel like this one so huge. So I'm just going to stretch it in bit inside. Maybe this one okay. Hmm. Okay, now we can just put again rectangle. Again, that also you can use region command. Just draw the line so that you will get the uniform things. BO enter, pick points, pick it, pick it. We can offset. We can offset to. So this is how it was looking. Okay, in the book. Now we can put the outside
Now,
because
I have one question, right?
yeah.
What is the use of boundary here?
What is that?
What is the use of boundary?
No, boundary we are otherwise see we are getting this island na otherwise we can't offset like this. To get this one we are putting because I just drawn the line right. See,
Okay.
if I'm not having boundary, how it will be? Like I'm just deleting the boundaries. See, I just deleted the boundary. Now I'm just
Okay.
going to offset. See, I'm just going to offset to this distance, for example. See, it is coming this way, not the other way. That's why I'm creating the boundary first, so that
Ah,
yeah.
okay, okay. I understand now.
Now you can just go for O enter and you can select the same offset because that also the same way. I think okay, right? Yeah, but they don't have the line in between in the book, so they have something like this, and then they're just joining the thing. So you don't have any confusions, right?
No, no.
But you need to practice. Since you are a new learner, you will forget everything if you're not practicing.
Hmm. Yes.
Just to zoom and work, and this is what scrolling using the mouse. So these techniques you should use. Okay, again I can stretch it down because again, so you can click on,
Before stretching, right?
yeah.
We did not join the whole
No,
door, right?
no need to join. See, join in the sense it will not join all together. That only can be done in block or group.
Hmm.
So if it is like in the continuous path, then only we can able to join it.
Hmm.
Okay, now the thing is like only here. So I will just complete. Maybe I will complete this portion. Otherwise, like again, I will go for boundary. Pick point just to do it. Okay, now what I can do means just offset. I think this is not offset. It will not work, but we can able to modify the things, right? So what we can modify means like the same way you should do that way also. I can able to put point one. So then there also you should put point one so that the same it will look. We can able to have the same look, right? That's why. So
Yes.
below also we can put the same way. So 0.15 I will put below. We have something like that because we are going to delete it anyway after. Okay. Okay. Now this one like I will just put even more down. So because it doesn't matter. Now you can just click, just go near to the grip, the mid grip. So convert to arc. Actually, it is we can even more bring it down. We can able to convert to arc. Otherwise, like if you want like half circle, A enter, C enter method. Actually, that itself like we can able to do it. Okay, this is the right way. Otherwise, what we can do means like I am just going to convert the arc and then I will click that point.
Sir, for that you did wait. To make the half circle, you did C enter circle.
So A enter, C enter, and send click the center point. If you are not putting C enter, you can't click the center point.
Okay, no. Sorry, can you say again?
So because for A enter, so we can just draw like this. 3 point arc it will be. See, just for that you need to just draw like this. Okay. Okay. But for A enter, C enter method, you need to have ortho mode, A enter. So C enter. For example, here. So you can click here and then you can click here. So this is how like A enter, C enter work.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I get it.
So now we got similar to it. Okay. Okay, so now what we can do is like we can just delete it. Actually, we can stretch it back a little because it was too close. It's touching, right? Just select only here, then little. Okay, so offset of some distance. So the same distance we can take. So No, we can just select this portion. That's why I just okay. Again, for that, like no need to join this corners. Like it was not shown like that. Now what we can do means like this one you can delete it. Uh, this one you can delete because this is not there, right? Okay, those lines we have. Okay, very simple. Like then we can just draw a line from here. Okay, then we can just go for circle. So offset. So just to take the same distance. Think inside better so that we will get a good view. Okay, now I'm going to put rectangle. So here I can put first corner, right? First corner here. Okay, but rotation I am going to put 45. Okay, and then we can able to put like this. So directly we can click graphically, right?
Hmm.
So very simple. So just you can put offset. So offset to the same distance, right? So inside we can leave it. So this is what I am trying to say. Okay.
Okay.
Very simple. Then mirror. Maybe if you are doing, you might be struggling. No, that's why I'm telling these things. Okay. Now what you can do is like go for half this one. Uh, because it is completely right. Click the first point and then shift mid between 2 points so that it will take the other point only this one. So that what we can do is the half here, half here. So these things when you practice, it will come. Okay. I'm just taking the
Okay.
imaginary midpoint. We discussed this one. Shift right.
Yeah.
This one. Shift right click mid between 2 points. Okay. So now what we can do is like select TR enter. Select only this one, and then you can completely. Actually, it is not going. It is just going separately only. No problem. Then what we can do is like only select these two. Uh, so because we need to put here, right? So select these two. Um, and then you just enter. So completely it will go away. No need to put inside and all. So you can just delete the inside things. So
Okay.
complete. We completed that one. So and there also just trimming here also because to get the thing. So that like that you can trim so that we can say it is like come like continuous thing. Okay. So only thing we need to just mirror it. So mirror. When you're mirroring, it's not coming correct, right? Why we can just mirror again because we stretched it and all. Na? So what we can do is like we can copy it. Just to copy from this point and then we can put in this point.
Hmm.
Actually, we stretched it, right? When we stretching, it got modified. Okay, so what we can do means like I can just undo this because when we are stretching, it is also got stretched. So I can delete completely because it should not be like this. It should be like symmetrical because then the
Yeah.
door it will not be looking good. Okay. Okay. What we can do means like select everything. Select everything. Then mirror it. So that's why you need to be careful when stretching and all. Actually, again, also we are getting the problem, right? What we can do is like you can select like this and go for copy. Just copy from this point and then leave this point. Okay. Okay. So even this also, you can what we can do means like now no other go because we need to put X enter, X enter. Then you can just select these two and mirror it. This is what why happened means like because we just stretched it right. Again, we are
Yes.
doing the same problem. So what we can do means select it Select uh, actually like this one we can select this way, otherwise select here and then copy from this point and you can place it there so that we will be knowing. Okay, this is the point. Okay, okay, okay. Now what we can do means like go for offset. Just have this. So now you can fillet it.
Yes.
Sharp corner. We are not putting any radius. That's why fillet it is getting sharp corner. But if you are putting radius, we will get some curve here.
Yes.
So very simply we have completed this one. No, we spend nearly like 20 more minutes also. Wait. So anything pending in it? Yeah, only the circles here. So the circle here, right? How we can say? So circle here, or we can just go for offsetting with this distance. The same
Hmm.
distance. No, here we have another distance. Okay. So what we can do means like we can mirror it to the midpoint. Then we can have in between something. Okay, then what we can do means like we can just copy and we can put in the midpoint here. So go near and then see. We here we might be having midpoint also. No, otherwise like shift mid between 2 points. So the first 2 point and then second point. So it is automatically going to the midpoint.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
very simply we completed. Okay, now we can block it. So this time I will select everything and I can go for B enter. So I can put elevation door one or something. So you can go for delete. It will completely deleted. So pick a point. So I'm just going to pick this point as a base point so that we can insert with that point. So click OK. You can see the preview, right? So that click OK. It will be deleted. So we can insert back. See, it's got deleted, but before it was there. So I enter. So now we have two blocks. This is what we created today. One is this one, other one is this one. So you can see the preview.
Okay, so this is another block.
Click OK, and you can see that base point we can able to just see. You can put the angle, zero angle. See, like this, we created blocks also with the doors elevation for the door elevations.
Hmm.
Okay, like this you practice. So AutoCAD is very interesting if you are practicing. So this kind of things. See, we have shared. See, we have discussed so many tools in between also.
Yes.
Okay, I hope like what we learned today, like it's helpful for you to like do your upcoming works also. Okay.
Yes.
So the meeting is going to end in another 1 minute. So that I am going to leave you until this topic. So just practice everything. So it's better, at least little practice, so that you will be okay na for the upcoming classes. Otherwise, like dumping too much also not good.
Yes.
So it's okay, right? With this session, we can close
Okay.
for today.
Okay.
Okay then. So you want recordings, right? Until which
Yes.
you have previous recordings. Only today I need to send, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will send it to you. So just go through it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. So whatever you're doing, better to save it because I also forget to save. So in between
Hmm.
controllers, it's better.
Yes.
So better to save in between controllers, always controllers, so that you will not lose your drawings. Otherwise, see how like we spend time now, it will be like wasted.
Yes.